So most industries, companies want to automate, but oftentimes they're limited with budget. So MMCI has designed and developed 3 different phases of automation with 3 different price points of automation. The IcePal 100 allows you to put a pallet on the floor, and then when a pallet is complete, you remove it manually. The IcePal 200 allows us to put a conveyor through the cell, allowing still manual intervention on a pallet, but yet full fork truck removal of a full pallet. And then the IcePal 300 is a complete system with pallet dispensers, robotic palletizing, and fully automatic stretch wrapping. All 3 of those solutions provide different price points, allow companies to introduce automation into their plants at the proper budget. We have to put our systems into existing facilities. So the beauty of robotics is the flexibility of being able to design a system around fixtures in the building. The robotic solution in this application gave us the flexibility to work in the small footprint that we had available.